She couldn't contain her anger after the argument. She couldn't contain her anger after the argument. He is able to solve complex problems with ease. He is able to solve complex problems with ease. The answer to the riddle was quite surprising. The answer to the riddle was quite surprising. Let's talk about your plans for the weekend. Let's talk about your plans for the weekend. Do you have any idea where my keys are? Do you have any idea where my keys are? The plane flew above the clouds. The plane flew above the clouds. The magician made a rabbit appear out of nowhere. The magician made a rabbit appear out of nowhere. Please add more sugar to the recipe. Please add more sugar to the recipe. She took a bite of the juicy apple. She took a bite of the juicy apple. Don't be afraid to express your feelings. Don't be afraid to express your feelings. We are going to the park after lunch. We are going to the park after lunch. They will arrive at the airport by noon. They will arrive at the airport by noon. Let's meet again after the event. Let's meet again after the event. As a teacher, she is always patient with her students. As a teacher, she is always patient with her students. He stood against the wall, lost in thought. He stood against the wall, lost in thought. Feel free to ask any questions you may have. Feel free to ask any questions you may have. The age of the building is evident from its architecture. The age of the building is evident from its architecture. They moved to this city years ago. They moved to this city years ago. Do you agree with the proposed changes? Do you agree with the proposed changes? The fresh air in the mountains is invigorating. The fresh air in the mountains is invigorating. All the students were allowed to go on the field trip. All the students were allowed to go on the field trip. She also brought a cake to the party. She also brought a cake to the party. I always enjoy spending time with my family. I always enjoy spending time with my family. I am currently working on a new project. I am currently working on a new project. The cat is hiding among the bushes. The cat is hiding among the bushes. The sun is shining, and the birds are singing. The sun is shining, and the birds are singing. He reached for the book on the top shelf. He reached for the book on the top shelf. The baby is asleep in the crib. The baby is asleep in the crib. The boat sailed smoothly across the lake. The boat sailed smoothly across the lake. She threw the ball with great force. She threw the ball with great force. Have you read that book about ancient civilizations? Have you read that book about ancient civilizations? He picked up the banana and took a bite. He picked up the banana and took a bite. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages. Both options have their advantages and disadvantages. The bank is located at the corner of the street. The bank is located at the corner of the street. Don't bother about the small details. Don't bother about the small details. The bar was crowded with people celebrating. The bar was crowded with people celebrating. The box is heavy, let's carry it together. The box is heavy, let's carry it together. The baseball game is about to start. The baseball game is about to start. The boy played with his toy car in the sandbox. The boy played with his toy car in the sandbox. She sliced the bread for sandwiches. She sliced the bread for sandwiches. Be sure to be home before dark. Be sure to be home before dark. The bone was buried in the backyard. The bone was buried in the backyard. He hit the ball with the baseball bat. He hit the ball with the baseball bat. I need to finish this book before bedtime. I need to finish this book before bedtime. The beauty of nature is truly breathtaking. The beauty of nature is truly breathtaking. My brother and I share a room. My brother and I share a room. I need to make my bed before leaving. I need to make my bed before leaving. The color of the sky turned from blue to orange. The color of the sky turned from blue to orange. The cloud cast a shadow over the landscape. The cloud cast a shadow over the landscape. Can you call a taxi to come to pick us up? Can you call a taxi to come to pick us up? The weather is cold, don't forget your jacket. The weather is cold, don't forget your jacket. Can you pass me the color pencils? Can you pass me the color pencils? The capital city is known for its historic landmarks. The capital city is known for its historic landmarks. I come from a small town in the countryside. I come from a small town in the countryside. She drives a red car to work every day. She drives a red car to work every day. The company is known for its innovative products. The company is known for its innovative products. Please hand me your business card. Please hand me your business card. Let's compare the prices before making a decision. Let's compare the prices before making a decision. Take care of your health, it's important. Take care of your health, it's important. The teacher asked the students to complete the assignment. The teacher asked the students to complete the assignment.